Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are delving into a useful topic, how to use Bing Chat as a Portuguese translator. So, let's get started. Begin by opening your browser and typing bing.com. And if you haven't logged in yet, I recommend doing so before we proceed. Imagine seamlessly translating Portuguese text into English using Bing Chat. It is as simple as typing "translate this in English" and pressing enter. Bing Chat swiftly provides you with an accurate English translation, skillfully capturing the essence of the Portuguese words. But our linguistic exploration doesn't end there. If your curiosity leads you to unveil the Portuguese translation of an English phrase, the process remains just as smooth. Similar to before, say, "translate this to Portuguese," followed by English text. Observe Bing Chat's expert response as it seamlessly offers the precise Portuguese translation. While Bing Chat's capabilities are truly remarkable, it's crucial to recognize that accuracy may vary, especially in complex contexts or when dealing with sensitive terms. Seeking second opinion is always a prudent choice when important decisions are at stake. Thanks for joining us today. Now, you're equipped to navigate the world of Portuguese with the help of Bing Chat. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.